Hello guys, this is Amin from Kodegems, and in this video I will be telling you how you can add an image in your WordPress page. So go to the Kodegems, the dashboard of your website, and you can see over here the media tab, library. I want to add a image. I already have some images in my media library, but over here in this video I would like to tell you how you can add the images. So Google it for an image. For now, book, go to image. So pick this book. I will save this book, save image, desktop. I have saved the image. Now you can drag and drop the image over here. Now you can see the image has been added to the media library. Now go to the page in which you have to insert this image. I will go to blogs and go to the edit page, and I will remove this text, add media, select the image, and over here these are some settings that you can set. You can give the alignment. I will give the center alignment, full size. Yes, it is full size, and no link for now. Insert to the page. Now update the page, view this one. So here you go, you have nicely added the image into the page. Thank you very much for watching this video. In this video you have learned how you can add an image through media files. Don't forget to comment, like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.